Let's go! And it's final the day that we are taking it out from here. And now we are loading up the helicopter. We have to drag it from here and take it all the way out there. So now it's the first time moving in 20 years. And now we have to tighten it from the other foot, and it's going slowly dragging into the ramp. Okay, attempt number 2. The story is the camera got some, they tried to steal the helicopter. So we are taking it out of here to save it in a safer location. Now officially with papers, finally after 1 year hunting this down. Let's see how it goes. I haven't done anything like this before. Okay, we have it until here. It's coming out! Come on! Come on! Come on! Test number 2. Now we put a triangle and we are trying to bring it here, and then we're gonna take the truck, lower the platform over here and load it on the truck. It's moving. Oh yes. This is next level. I never thought I'm gonna do stuff like this. I repeat again, if everyone knows anything about this, about its history, or someone see this that used to serve the helicopter, the VIN is 2216, please comment below. Let's go! And it's loaded! It's loaded! Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode.